Buenos dias. Me llamo Brian. Welcome to another painting video. Got a beautiful 12 by 24. It always starts out beautiful because it's nice and clean and not messed up yet. So we're gonna do something I haven't done for a little while. We're using the glue again because that's been pretty fun. But I haven't tried the glue with doing it as a Dutch pour and using the hairdryer. Just in case you're wondering, Dutch pour does not mean you wear a silly little wig and I don't know what else Dutch would be known for, and chase windmills or something, not to be stereotypical. I don't know what it's named after, but we'll give it a try. I haven't tried it, so why the heck not? Might as well. It's worth trying, right? Just not sure how the glue is gonna work with everything else. And I forgot to put my handy dandy silicone in my paints. So let me do that quick, because that's part of it. So colors, I have this nifty iridescent rich copper heavy body stuff that I got at Michael's for $3. It's normally $13. So I thought that would be fun. Also got some Inca Gold and Candy Apple Red and Harvest Orange and Bright Yellow. So I guess you would say these are kind of fall colors, or so people tell me. Because I haven't seen what a normal fall looks like, being colorblind in a very long time. So we're just going to just put some paint on here like that. Hopefully these are all the same consistency so that it kind of, there's not too much of one thing or another. So there's the copper, orange, orange. Oh, that is way too much yellow. That's not enough yellow. Let's see if I can. Rid of some of it. And then we got some, whoops, start from the same side. Some gold. So, all right. Ye old fancy hair dryer. get this. All right. Well, there we go. Something nice and simple. Hopefully this doesn't look like some sort of weird condiment explosion, which is kind of what I'm feeling like it's looking at the moment. But, there you go. Something nice and simple. And hopefully you enjoy it. Give it a try yourself. Come on.